Muharram is the first month of Islamic calendar, which is sacred to every Muslim. But it holds deep emotional and spiritual meanings in unique ways for both Shia and Sunni Muslims. Today we explore these perspectives not to highlight division, but to discover unity in diversity. Muharram is one of the four sacred months in Islam, mentioned in the Quran Surah At-Tawbah 9:36. It's a time when warfare was historically forbidden, a month of spiritual significance, peace, and remembrance. For both Shia and Sunni Muslims, it's a time to reflect on faith, sacrifice, and justice. Sunni Muslims observe Muharram as a holy month, especially the 10th day known as Ashura. It marks the day when Prophet Musa salam and his followers were saved from Pharaoh. The Prophet Muhammad wasallam recommended fasting on this day as an act of gratitude and devotion. Many fast on the 9th and 10th, or the 10th and 11th, to honor this tradition. For Shia Muslims, Muharram, especially the first 10 days, is a period of intense mourning. It commemorates the tragedy of Karbala, the martyrdom of Imam Hussain Raziyallah Ta'ala Anha, the beloved grandson of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. His stand for justice against tyranny inspires millions to this day. Mourning rituals known as Azadari include processions, noha, and majalis gatherings. It's not just sorrow, it's a powerful statement. Every day is Ashura, every land is Karbala. The events of Karbala, where Imam Hussain Raziyallah Ta'ala Anha, his family and companions were mercilessly martyred, are remembered by all Muslims. Though the depth of rituals may differ, the love and respect for Imam Hussain Raziyallah Ta'ala Anha unites the Ummah. Sunni scholars and poets too, over centuries have honored his sacrifice and stood with his message of truth and resistance. Misunderstandings have sometimes caused tensions between communities, but when we listen with compassion and learn with sincerity, we discovered shared values: love for Ahlul Bayt, commitment to truth, rejection of injustice, and respect for the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and his family. In a world divided by sectarianism, let Muharram be our reminder that the blood of Imam Hussain Raziyallah Ta'ala Anha was shed for unity, not division. His stand was not just for one group, but for the soul of Islam. Let us mourn together, remember together, and stand together against injustice in all forms. Whether you fast, mourn, or reflect, remember, the message of Karbala is universal. Stand for truth, embrace unity, be inspired by Hussain Raziyallah Ta'ala Anha. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let's keep building bridges.